is Pamela, and you're on Pamela's Adoring Crochet. Welcome to my channel. My channel is mostly all about crochet. This morning, I am drinking hazelnut coffee in a cup that was given to me by Carrie. Thank you so much, Carrie. Her daughter just got married this past weekend, and it was a beautiful wedding. So congratulations to Madison. It says, Hello, Autumn. I love this hazelnut. So today's video, I have a few finished items that I want to show you guys. And one of them, I guess I could start with the Annie's kit. How's that? The update on that. I am caught up, guys. I am caught up with all my kits that they have sent me. And I believe it's like 10 kits right now. You do like 3 stripes at a time with each kit. So I'm pretty sure that the next kit I get from them will be the border. So let's just take a look at that. This has been fun. And oh my gosh, have I learned so much from this. I've learned so many stitches from this that I'm thinking of combining a few stitches to make my own like blanket with just a few of the stitches. But make sure I got it on the right side. Now this right here, I was a little concerned about that. But hey, I pulled it off. I did it. I did not give up. Persistence. I stayed with it. Or perseverance. There we go. Yeah, I think probably both those words will work. Anyway, I stuck with it, and I understood what she was saying. I just could not get where my first one. Now, second one and on, I did okay, but I just could not get my first one to be spread out like that. But when I finally got it, my goodness, it was just boom, 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 boom all the way across the board here. And oh my gosh, it went so fast. And so now I'm loving that stitch. Absolutely love it. So that is one of the things that I would like to combine in something. But anyway, so here's what I've gotten so far. This thing is heavy. All the different stitches. Don't you like the Christmas trees? So hold on, let me pull up some more. There we go. And some more. Look at that, guys. It's just beautiful. I'm having so much fun with this. This blanket here is actually sponsored by Annie's because, you know, they would like for me to do this and show it to you guys what it's like and stuff. And so I've been showing this off to you guys. They've been sending it to me every 2 weeks. So like if you decide that you want to do one of these, then they have them, I think, in maybe 4 or even 5 different colorways. But I'm so proud to have this Christmas one. It feels so good. It's so soft. Anyway, I can't wait to love up on this one when it's all done. It's been a very exciting project. And this right here, the basket that I made, yeah. This, I think I made, you know, I'm thinking that this basket was made with that yarn that last year when I did the, I dressed in the reindeer outfit and I did that little dance, All I Want for Christmas is this, this, this. And it was talking about the Caron cake. Remember those huge cakes like that big? Well, anyway, that's what part of this right here is, this basket. Pretty cool, isn't it? But anyway, this is all the yarn I have left from that Christmas kit so far. Oh, and I'm using an eye hook for this, a 5.5. But each one of these has 3 skeins in here. It's a lot of yarn, isn't it? And then this one has one and part of another one. And then a little bitty green ball right there. See that? So, yeah, I'm just waiting for the border kit to come in. So, since I have all this yarn left over, I mean, I'm assuming I will. I mean, I don't know, you know, until I get that next kit, how much of the border, how wide and how big, how much yarn it's going to take and all that. I'm sure it's not going to take that whole basket full. So I'm planning on making, I don't know, maybe a smaller blanket, like a smaller Christmas blanket, or even a pillow for sure to go with this blanket. But I'm going to do something. There's such pretty colors and I don't know. But yeah, I'm going to make something. Okay, so the next thing that I have, you know, I've been working on that blanket, and one of you subscribers actually sent me some yarn to finish this project. So thank you, thank you, thank you very much. And it is Scarfy. And it's the ombre navy color. And I think it is. Yeah, it's the navy. Anyway, this is a 5 bulky yarn. 78% acrylic and 22% wool. So this will be warm. And oh, how many yards? 312 yards in this baby. That's a lot of yarn. So I used 6 of these, and this is what I had left over. And the reason I had just a tad left over is because I did not want to run out on my decrease rows. So when I did my increase rows, I left a little bit of yarn before I started the decrease, because, you know, when you do the decrease, you slip stitch into the side. Yeah, you slip stitch into the side. And I figured that that may take up a little bit of yarn. And so, yeah, so I ended up having this. Not bad at all, is it? Not bad at all. So let's go ahead and look. Very excited about this. Like I said, I kind of want one of these myself. Oh, and Patsy, she made a black and white one. Patsy, yours is beautiful. I love it. You can go to my Facebook group page and see Patsy's. Hers is black and white, and it is gorgeous. But she used the Scarfy yarn as well. Anyway, see if I can back up here so you guys can see this. Look at that. It's just perfect for a guy. He is going to love this. Pretty big, isn't it? Let's see, if I put it on the ground, like on my feet, so it's right there. Anyway, I'm excited. Here it is up close. Yeah, and it feels good. He's going to love it. Love, 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 love it. Okay, so let's see. What else do I have for you guys? I am working on a snowman, the toilet paper snowman. And so hopefully, well, I do plan on finishing that today. So I'd like to show that to you guys maybe tomorrow. And, oh yeah, I got some happy mail, I guess you could call it, from my sister Tanya. Ta-da! She bought me a black and white one of these. She went to Joann's and picked these up for me. She picked her some up. Oh, and she's going back to pick me up some more. She said, Pam, you don't have enough black and white in your stock. So thank you, Tanya. I thank you very, very, very much for that. And let's see, what else do I have? I have the snowman. Oh yeah, on Instagram they are, or I will be putting a post of the 4 winners to the Hobie. I believe it's the Happy Friday type one. Anyway, I'll put the hashtag there, but today they're announcing the 4 winners that will win $130 worth of yarn from them that they will ship out to you. And they have a list of you have like 4, there will be 4 winners, and you can pick from that list, you know, the prizes that you want. Anyway, and I know you can pick your colorway. Like you can pick one of those, but you also get to pick the colorway of that, which is cool. And then I will be posting on Instagram well, tomorrow I will be posting a DIY. Have yourself a merry little DIY from Hobie. That's exciting. And let's see what else. Let's see. I said the snowman. Oh yeah, I'm starting the taxi blanket, which it's called taxi, but I'm replacing the taxis with cars. Anyway, so I'm starting that tomorrow. Well, I got to finish the snowman first, right? I'd like to start it tonight, but hey, I can't do everything. Luckily, I don't have much to do today outside of the home. So, yeah, I think I'll tackle, if I do, it'll be late in the evening though. I might just do it Tuesday. Start the, I'd like to be able to show you guys Tuesday, though, a little bit of the blanket. So I might have to try and fit that in. But anyway, I'm excited about the projects that I've got coming up. And I do have a Christmas ornament book that I bought last year. I think I bought it like after Christmas. And so I would like to get started on maybe making some of those ornaments. That'll be fun, right? We all love the ornaments. Okay, I tell you what, let's go ahead and do our 365 days of prayer. Out of hiding. Whoever conceals his transgressions will not prosper, but he who confesses and forsakes them will obtain mercy. That's in Proverbs 28:13. Holy One, you cover every one of my sins with the mercy that flows freely from your throne. I don't hide myself from you. You see everything done in secret. I need the power of your love to cover me with your love and to lift me out of the spiral of shame. You are better than I expect every time. In humility, I offer every part of me for your inspection. Your mercy has free access to my heart. Your light shines, and I find that I am seized by your affection. You don't hesitate. Your love knocks out every fear, and the reluctance that I had disappears. That's nice. Thank you for mercy that meets me when my experience with others has me expecting disappointment and guilt trips. You lift every weight, and my heaviness is traded for joy that sets my feet dancing. I can't help but rejoice, Lord. You're always better to me than I anticipate. What is keeping you from coming to the Lord with all that you are? Okay, guys, wasn't that just beautiful? I love doing that, and I'm so glad you guys enjoyed that as much as I do. Well, guys, that's all that I have for this video. Just be awesome today, smile today, and live life and have fun. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.